Hey guys, Tim here. So in this video, I really want to show you guys how to make more than $35,000 a year without a degree. Because I know that many of you have been stuck working entry-level jobs your entire career since you graduated high school. Some of you feel like you're totally unworthy to get paid more because you feel like you don't have the skill set to um, get paid more. And I'm calling BS on that today. All right. So it's a few things that I want to teach you. But before I give you these three principles, I want you to do me a favor. If you're watching this on YouTube, just do me a favor and subscribe to this channel, like this video, and it's just going to help me to reach more awesome people like you. All right, so here we go. So principle number one, guys, is you have to be able to change your mindset, okay? No ifs, ands, buts about it. The other steps are going to be irrelevant to what I'm about to say if you don't change your mindset, okay? Which means when you are searching for jobs, eliminate out your mind that you're going to apply for jobs that pay you $14 or less per hour, okay? You have to totally eliminate that, okay? Any job that pay you $14 or less an hour, eliminate that, okay, in your job search. So you have to make up your mind and say to yourself, okay, I am worthy of the pay that I want in my life and in my career, okay? All right, so number two, this is what you're going to have to do. You're going to have to find a company, particularly either a Fortune 500 company or some of the biggest companies in your job market. And I want you to find out what positions are available that are leadership based, healthcare based, or IT based, okay? Or I would even say engineering or manufacturing based, okay? I need you to find these jobs, okay? And I want you to write down at least 20 of these jobs that you see that are that the starting pay is $35,000 a year or more. Okay? Because see, what people fail to realize is that these bigger, more established companies, they're willing to pay a little bit more than some of these real small businesses, okay? And then some industries are willing to pay a little bit more than your, maybe your fast food restaurant or something like that. So don't allow yourself to get stuck doing that. All right, number three. What you need to do is begin to target position titles that put an emphasis on leadership or specialization, okay? And let me give you some examples of that. If you've been working in retail for 5 to 10 years, you can flip that experience to apply for management positions, team lead positions, supervisor positions. A lot of these leadership positions pay over $35,000 a year. So you can flip the experience that you've accumulated over the years and turn it into leadership experience. Okay, guys? The other thing is, from a specialization standpoint, there are companies that will help train you, on the job training, to become a specialist in what you do. I mean, this can be HVAC, this can be IT support. And don't get me wrong, some of these positions you may have to pay your dues for a year, but after that year is up, the income earning potential is significant. Another title, and for some reason a lot of people run from this, but I don't know why. Sales positions are one of the fastest ways to make six figures without a degree. Look for these sales positions, car dealerships, real estate is huge. Get into real estate, seek real estate. Get into different industries that allow you to sell and make a great commission. This is one of the fastest ways to make great income. And if you say to yourself, I don't want to be a sales specialist long term, you put in your dues for a year or two, maybe three, you can get promoted to a sales manager. And I think with a sales manager, all you need is a year in there. You become a sales manager, you can make upwards of 60,000 to 150,000 a year, depending on the company and the city and the job market that you're in. So guys, listen, there's no excuses, okay, guys? If you're watching me and you know, if you subscribe to this channel, which I hope you have already, I'm going to teach you how to level up. I'm going to teach you how to make the money that you want and you deserve. This is what I'm in this business for. I am a career consultant. I am a professional resume writer, and I want to see people level up. It makes no sense for anyone to be making, you know, a salary right at the poverty line. No, we're not going to accept those type of salaries no more. Okay, from 2020, when this video is recorded, on to the future, we're not going to accept anything less than what we deserve. All right, guys. So if you like this video, do me a favor and hit that like button, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to this channel. All right, guys. You have a great day.